Today, we are going to discuss one of the projects that seems to come with a bit of a different perspective. Well, nothing is new in the idea space, but what they're set out to do seems unique according to their light paper. Xen, a project that operates with the original intention set out by the Satoshi white paper, with tokenomics that incentivize community growth and adoption, as well as preclude whale accumulation, overbuying, and pre-minting. In this video, we would discuss what Xen is, how it works, some important features, and its tokenomics. But before we continue, kindly note that this video is sponsored by the like button, so hit that like button, and if you have interest in Web3 contents, then subscribe to this channel. We have amazing stuffs for you. With that said, let's get right into it. What is Xen? Xen is an ERC20 token built on Ethereum. Founded by Levin, creator of ImageShack and Inventify and a former early engineer at Google, Xen is operating with a mission to cultivate a like-minded community of developers through a token with unique tokenomic. That is, the project wants to get back to the original mission of Bitcoin to give people access to a decentralized, self-custodial, and censorship-resistant crypto that is fully open source and community first. Everyone has an equal opportunity to become a Xen minter and holder. The project is very much dedicated to the idea of decentralization within crypto. This means that owners of Xen are their own custodians. It is also an open-source smart contract that isn't owned by anyone. Moreover, one of the unique aspects of Xen is the fact that it is a token that is minted for free. All a prospective user needs to do is connect an Ethereum-compatible wallet to the Xen smart contract. How does Xen work? Let's start with the problem that Xen seeks to solve. According to the Xen light paper, popular cryptocurrencies are overbought and lesser-known ones suffer from pre-mining and whale accumulation. This is why Xen has designed its tokenomics such that the token's value is derived from community participation and use. And it's easy to join the community as well. All someone needs to do to mint Xen is connect their Ethereum-compatible wallet to the Xen smart contract. So a wallet like MetaMask and ETH to pay gas fees is all someone would need to get started. An important part of how Xen works is the proof of participation. According to the project's light paper, it is neither proof of stake nor proof of work that secures the platform. Rather, Xen functions on proof of participation, which means that participants in the ecosystem have full ownership through self-custody. What are the key features of Xen Crypto? First is infinite supply. While Bitcoin has finite supplies of 21 million BTC, Xen has no finite supply, which means Bitcoin mining will end after reaching 21 million BTC while Xen will keep on going. Second, no huge amount of computing power needed. Bitcoin is mined using a computer that needs tremendous amounts of power, while Xen is minted by users by connecting their wallets to a dApp. Lastly, no limit on wallets. Xen Crypto token allows users to create as many wallets the users want. There's no limit. However, users can't claim another C rank with the same wallet, and need to end their term to be able to restart the process again. Now, let us round up by looking into Xen tokenomics. The main thing that we should start off with is the fact that the token is free and that participants don't need to deposit anything to start minting. Furthermore, Xen starts with zero supply and has no supply cap. Because of its minting formula, the token will become less inflationary over time as adoption increases. Like Bitcoin, the $Xen token has no intrinsic value. That is, the community surrounding it and using it as a medium of exchange on the Xen smart contract platform will be what gives it its value. It currently has more than 2 trillion tokens in circulation, with a market cap of about $7 million, while selling way below 1 cent. Guys, let me know what you think about Xen in the comment section. Kindly note that this is not financial advice but for educational purpose only. Like this video, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification, to get notified each time we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.